Do you want glowing, clear skin without spending thousands on skincare? What if I told you just one simple drink could do the magic in 7 days? Today, I'm revealing a powerful drink backed by science that can make your skin glow, hydrate from within, and even reduce acne naturally. The drink, it's cucumber mint detox water. It's refreshing, simple, and insanely effective. Here's why it works. Cucumber is packed with silica and water. Both help keep your skin hydrated, firm, and radiant. Mint has anti-inflammatory properties that calm your skin and aid digestion, which affects how your skin looks. Lemon adds a vitamin C boost, promoting collagen production and reducing dark spots. Take 1 sliced cucumber, a handful of mint leaves, 1/2 sliced lemon, 1 liter of water. Let it infuse overnight in the fridge. Drink it throughout the day. Studies show staying hydrated and adding antioxidants, like those in cucumber and lemon, visibly improves skin tone, elasticity, and reduce dryness and acne. Drink this daily for just 7 days, and you'll notice brighter skin, less acne, fewer dry patches. Try this challenge and share your results in the comments. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more natural health hacks every week.